Gleditsia triacanthos information. Gleditsia triacanthos is a species of tree commonly known as honey locust, thorny locust, or sweet locust. It belongs to the Fabaceae family, and is native to North America. Here are some key pieces of information about Gleditsia triacanthos. Appearance: honey locust trees can grow up to 25 to 30 meters, 80 to 100 feet, tall, and have a distinctive appearance. The bark is gray-brown and has deep grooves and ridges. The leaves are pinnately compound and can be up to 45 centimeters, 18 inches, long, with small leaflets arranged along a central axis. The tree also produces large, twisting pods that can be up to 45 centimeters, 18 inches, long and contain sweet, edible pulp. Distribution: Gleditsia triacanthos is native to Central and Eastern North America, and can be found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and along riverbanks. It has also been introduced to other parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa, where it is sometimes grown as an ornamental tree. Ecological role: honey locust trees play an important ecological role in their native range. They provide food and habitat for a variety of wildlife, including birds, squirrels, and deer. The trees also have nitrogen-fixing bacteria in their roots, which can help improve soil fertility. Uses: honey locust trees have a number of practical uses. The hard, durable wood is sometimes used for fence posts, furniture, and other outdoor applications. The pods are edible and can be used to make a sweet drink or ground into flour. The tree's thorns are sometimes used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments. Cultivation: honey locust trees are easy to grow and are often used in landscaping and reforestation projects. They prefer full sun and well-drained soil, and can tolerate a wide range of conditions including drought and pollution. The trees are also resistant to many pests and diseases, making them a low-maintenance choice for homeowners and landscapers.